they're in circulation. All the dryers being pulled in. This whole storm is rotating. That's the hook. That's the arm coming around. That's where the tornado is going to be. You can see Sky 5 on the left, and we're right now. I'm kind of doing multiple things. I'm driving the radar. We're looking at velocities. We're looking at the winds inside the storm. As I'm watching this thing, the wall cloud is so low to the ground. It's not going to take long to actually condensate and tornado. So I'm looking for power flashes right now because it's